What's up, y'all? What's cracking? We over here soldering some copper pipe, okay, for our hydronic heater, right? This is our rental place. This is our rental. For those of you who don't know, this is called a hydronic heater. That's how you get your heat through water. Very low, great efficiency, and very low on cost. Got a very old house. Okay, probably should have cleaned it right there. Probably should have sanded it first, but we'll be all good. So the tip for today that highly pisses me off is when people do not clean the flux off your joints after soldering. Why should you do it? Because it's acid, my friend. It is acid. There's a reason why many times you'll have a pinhole and you'll have a leak at your joint because the stuff corrodes. Okay? So please, after 25 seconds, 30 seconds, clean it off with not a very wet rag, slightly damp. Just clean it off. And another tip, preparation. I've never had a leak, knock on wood. Okay, never had a leak. Preparation is always key to soldering copper pipes. That was a bleeder, okay. You bleed your hydronic heater. That'll go at the bottom. Right here. But yes, please, after soldering, clean the damn solder off of it. Clean the flux off of it, I mean. You know how many times I've did some demolition, almost every time the pipe is still sticky, still creamy. I don't know if they knew back in days, they probably should have, maybe they didn't. Just like back in days, they didn't think pipes can corrode, copper pipes. But now you know, please clean the damn flux off of it.